Adding a Tesco Clubcard to an Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To add a Tesco Clubcard, follow the steps displayed on your screen. Open up the Tesco app on your phone. You can download it for free from the Tesco website. Tap on the account symbol and select Clubcard Management. This should bring up a menu of options, at the bottom of which allows you to add the card to your Apple Wallet. When you select the option to add to Apple Wallet, follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your identity, agree to terms, or enter your Apple ID password. Tap on this option and the card should automatically appear. After adding your club card to the app, you can access your digital club card within the app at any time. When you shop at Tesco or other affiliated stores, simply open the Tesco Clubcard app, and the cashier can scan the barcode on your phone screen. As usual, you will continue to earn points for your purchases, and you can use your digital club card to redeem points for vouchers or discounts.